let's go over the features of a smart home security camera. Watch full HD live footage on your phone from anywhere. With advanced night vision, even a completely dark room is visible as clear as day. This device has built-in speakers and mic, so you can hear what's happening at home and instantly converse from the Qubo app. Using advanced artificial intelligence, this device can distinguish between human beings and objects. Users can set the trigger for recording and notification. You can choose between motion and person. So, you record and receive relevant notifications. To get notifications about activity in a specific area, user can set up activity zones. An activity zone focuses motion detection on a specific area. The Qubo smart home security camera is weather resistant, so it can be used indoors and outdoors. The Qubo smart home security camera uses Crypto, which ensures that data transmission between the device and cloud or between the mobile app and cloud is secure, confidential, and private.